ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Dr. Ross and I just got back from meeting with our agents, but we're enjoying the cool summer breeze in California, the city of angels, baby. Let's get into our hot topics for today, and they are hot indeed. Our first hot topic is with A-Rod. A-Rod is not thrilled about J-Lo reuniting with Ben Affleck, a source says.
I guess a lot of celebrities are having their up and downs because Jennifer Lawrence recently said that she's actually happy that J-Lo and Ben are reunited. So,
and Dr. Ross, A-Rod he's not going to be happy about J-Lo going with someone else. And A-Rod, we know you're not thrilled, but it's no need to worry.
Exactly.
Because Ben Affleck is an alcoholic.
It's
he
a
needs to go to his meetings, and you know it's not going to work third.
Well, it's a hoax. They're not even really together. J-Lo is just really trying to get some money out of him or do a new role. So,
and
we
Ben
already
Affleck,
know it's not.
Not to bash you too much, but we know that you have the connections. Put us in the brand new up and coming Flash 2022 film.
Exactly.
Because we know you're going to be one of the main characters.
Let's get into our next hot topic. We do want to talk about, we were watching Wendy Williams recently, and she was just shading Ellen DeGeneres to the utmost. We know that's Wendy's job, and she loves just bashing people, but recently Ellen DeGeneres just said that this will be her last season, the 19th season, and that she will no longer be on Ellen. And Wendy said, TV exposes you for the person that you really are, and a lot of other insults saying her staff didn't like her, that Wendy's staff I guess used to work in Ellen.
Just stop and hold it right there and go back to with the hot wings, Buffalo Wild Wings over there,
the feet cam, the how you doing.
Wendy, for now just slow down, pump your brakes, because Ellen, she says she's going into other endeavors, but you really need to relax, Miss Ellen DeGeneres.
Maybe Ellen is going out for, like you said, IK, maybe she's going to relax, enjoy herself, enjoy her marriage with Miss Portia. Because, Wendy, that's none of her business. And Wendy, she has no reason to keep bashing these people. But I guess that's Wendy's idea of the entertainment industry.
But we don't
knock down the other shows.
We don't want to linger on this topic too much because Ellen, she's going to relax, enjoy. And Wendy's going to keep on doing her show till she's 90 years old. Let's get into our next hot topic with Seth Rogen says that Nicolas Cage auditioned for a movie in Jamaican accent. If you need some Jamaican flavor, Seth Rogen, you know who to contact.
Exactly.
IK and Dr. Ross.
International King.
We're always available, and we're in LA. You know you're in LA too.
Everything is everything.
Exactly.
When he stands tall, y'all mean what? Shorty wanna kick it with the team. What?
Khloe Kardashian and Tristan Thompson were in the process of hiring a surrogate just 6 months before he was accused of cheating for a third time.
Well, Khloe, you should have already known this was going to happen because not only does Tristan cheat every single other week, and he probably cheats more without you even knowing it, but that's only the ones that get popular. Khloe, you need to learn your lesson.
Now, since you want to go around acting goofy, I think you deserve a certified clown license.
Basically, yes, Khloe just needs to leave Tristan. What do you think, IK?
Right now, she needs to stop going crazy over Tristan Thompson, and she needs to hire a whole basketball team to be with her.
Exactly.
Because Dr. Ross, Khloe can do better.
It's true. But some people, maybe they like being with people that cheat with them constantly because we haven't seen Khloe do anything else but stay with Tristan, who keeps cheating on her. So maybe she doesn't mind. Maybe she'll let him just cheat around.
Let's get into our next hot topic with Josh Duhamel. Didn't feel intimidated working with Jennifer Lopez on Shotgun Wedding thanks to his ex-wife Fergie.
Fergie's been out of the nudes for a little bit now, but the Shotgun Wedding with J-Lo, I don't know who's going to watch it, but J-Lo, we love your work. We don't really watch movies, but the fact that you're making it, we respect that. Let's get into our next hot topic with Lori Loughlin and her husband Massimo asked the judge for permission to take a Cabo trip. I don't think they should be asking permission because what they did, they weren't big-time criminals or what the media is trying to make them. They're not monsters. So
it's a damn shame what happened.
Exactly. Their consequences shouldn't have been as far as it's been taken, but go take a Cabo trip. Enjoy yourself. Get away from Hollywood for a little bit because it doesn't seem like Hollywood's doing that much good things.
And Dr. Ross and I allegedly heard that they're moving to Ohio.
Exactly.
Let's get into our next hot topic with how Kylie Jenner used her lip filler scandal to usurp the Kardashians and become the most powerful celebrity on the planet.
I don't believe it, but we love you, Kylie.
And Kylie Jenner, we're in LA. I'd love to invite you to the Beverly Hills Hotel for lunch, brunch, or dinner.
Exactly.
That's for you, Miss Jenner. I'm always available. The king is in town, and he's ready to do business. Let's get into our next hot topic for today.
So, how Chris Rock's Saw spin-off Spiral confronts horrors on police brutality. So, Chris Rock, we heard him speaking about this new movie Saw, but the spin-off Spiral recently, and he was saying that he wanted to bring more of a darker type of comedy, so we don't know if that's what he was trying to do here, but it's sad what's happening with the police brutality, and they really need to get the training back.
We're not going to get too much into it because Dr. Ross and I, we don't like to go too political. We like to keep it fresh, keep it funky, and keep it always hot, as you know.
I won't be going to see the Saw movie, though. We love Chris Rock, but I won't be going to see it because it seems like it would be too scary for me because Saw is just not my alley. But I know IK really wanted to go see that.
You already know I'm going to be there on day one. So stay tuned for our reveal and
the explanation on the movie.
Exactly. Let's get into our next hot topic with Travis Barker would love to marry Kourtney Kardashian, but she doesn't feel the need or wants the pressure. What's happening, Travis Barker, is that she's gotten the confidence from you, and now she's ready to go and run the streets.
She's ready to go meet some other guys and just be a miniature Kim.
And speaking about this, Maurice Green, Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt, and what's his name? Scott Disick, Kanye West. All of you need information from the international king.
Brian Austin Green, too.
The international book, because right now, you're getting dogged out. You lost your manhood.
Sad.
It's looking worse and worse for you by the day, because you women are running around becoming scandalous, running with someone like the king.
I think a lot of these men, too, they were just not doing what they had to do in their relationships that would have the lady keep them, which is why you should read IK's Black Book. But personally, for me, I feel like they were just not doing what they had to do in their relationship. That's why the lady ran away from them.
Mr. Green, Tom Cruise, Brett.
Except for Megan Fox and her relationship.
You know what, Dr.
She shouldn't get the card on that.
I'm going to take it back from Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt, it's too late for you. And we, both Dr. Ross and I, know why it's too late for Brad Pitt. We need not to speak on that anymore. Kanye West, it's looking bad for you. Maurice Green, you're almost on the edge. You really need help. And then Tom Cruise, you really need to set up that fight. Make it an MMA. No holds barred.
That's another one. Tom Cruise, your situation is different. Katie Holmes does not have our card. So you were doing everything you had to do. And it's the same thing for the Megan Fox relationship. No.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Oprah Winfrey reveals her biggest celebrity interview flub. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
Oprah. We love Oprah. Oprah's been doing a lot of things recently. She's been giving interviews to different stars. She's been giving new talk shows, new series on mental health. Oprah's really just trying to help the community as usual. So, we love you, Oprah.
Dr. Ross is speaking the facts. But one thing I have to say that's going to blow all that away, Oprah, let us host the show. You're getting older, go relax and enjoy Barbados.
That's right.
Let's get into our next and final hot topic for today with Mike Esterman responds to Wendy Williams calling him childish after breakup reports.
I heard about this. Wendy Williams, so I really wanted to speak on this. All those weeks, all those days that you were cutting off celebrities, bad-mouthing them, and every single time you would bring up a topic saying you take your relationship seriously, you don't talk to anyone except for who you're dating and you're so in love with him. But now, all of a sudden, you want to release the thing when Mike says that you were too childish and you needed to grow up, or that you weren't ready for a relationship. Why are you now changing the story and saying that you were never in a relationship with him?
And Dr. Ross, it's not the fact that Wendy is childish, it's the fact that Wendy is Williams.
Exactly.
That's why you can't show your feet on the air. But Wendy,
you probably got scared and ran away. That's what it was.
Wendy, we know right now you're reliving the Kevin Hunter moment. Just go with someone else. Hey, this is not IK.
Yo, shout for season, man.
But we'd still love to take your show, Wendy Williams. These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys in the next installment of Rose and Gold. Make sure to buy the shampoo, the Jamaican shampoo. A link will be in the description below for
That's
all
right.
of our products and for our Instagram.
And we're in California right now once again, so go out, get yourself something nice to eat. And if you're in California, go enjoy the breeze. It's nice and hot today.
If you haven't done so yet, like, follow, share, and subscribe if you're on YouTube.
That's right. And
Other than
Kylie
that,
Jenner?
We'll see you on the next installment. And Kylie Jenner, that's for you.